So we are in the Mavunda forest in northwestern province, and this is the cryptocephalum forest. This forest would be what we call primary Mavunda forest without disturbances. But as you can see behind me, we have a very big tree, a very big rosewood tree that has been cut, evidence of logging. So Mavunda forest is one of the forests that are very hard to penetrate through, but as you can see, the loggers have managed to come through, coming for big trees like the rosewood trees. So this is a very big tree, hundreds of years of growth cut in just few minutes. So this is one of the examples of the big trees that have been cut in this Mavunda forest. We can even see there's some leftover trees that have just been left around without being collected. A waste, obviously. And the Mavunda forest is one of the forests that are home to a lot of specialized species, animal species. For example, we have specialized bird species like the gorgeous bushwrack, the Margaret Batis. These species are very specialized in terms of habitat preferences. So for example, the gorgeous bushwrack is one of the best species that is very limited in terms of distribution. It is only found in the northwestern part of Zambia, not anywhere else in the country. And so you see they prefer this patch of the forest. And so losing this habitat would mean us driving away the existence of a very special bird species. And not only that, we have a lot other animal species, mammals, reptiles that are very dependent on this forest. So depleting this forest is a danger to our animal species. And then also not only that, but for the trees themselves, they offer a very important ecological services to us human beings, less to be said. But at this rate at which the loggers are working, we are losing our forest, and this is very alarming. Something needs to be done for us to protect our forest. We have very few patches of intact cryptocephalum forest. They're no longer intact because there's loggers that are penetrating through this forest. So we need to do something to protect our forest, otherwise we're going to lose our limited forest and also bird species, animal species that are very dependent on these forests.